Hello everyone, this is Xiang Yu, and I'm taking this video to talk about the solutions of the questions in my homework. So let's begin. Here are the questions we have to figure out. First, let's figure out the first one. The first part requests us to find constant a so that f of x is a probability distribution function. According to the properties of the PDF, we got when x equals infinite, f of x equals 1. So we have this formula. And when x equals infinite, u of x minus a equals 1. And e to minus b multiplied infinite equals 0. So we have a equals 1. That's it. And the first part requests us to draw f of x. And we have know that a equals 1, so f of x equals a minus e to minus b multiplied x u. We can divide it to two parts, that is, when x is no less than a, fx equals this, and when x is less than a, this fx equals 0. So we can draw and this is a, this one. E of x is like this. So e of minus b multiplied x equals just like this. And there is a minus before that, so we have to change it into and plus 1, just like this. So let's first stretch the full one, and we know that when x is less than a, fx equals 0, and when x is no less than a, it's just like this one. So we get this to be the plot of f of x. Then let's go ahead to the third part. It requests us to find the probability density function fx and draw it. Fx equals the differential of fx. So we got there is an impulse function delta of x minus a plus b multiplied e of u of x minus a and minus e to minus b multiplied x multiplied delta of x minus a. We can also divide it into two parts, that is, when x is less than a, and we can easily know that f of x equals 0. And when x equals a exactly, we have fx equals 1 plus b multiplied and minus e2 minus a. So let's put it here. And when x, this is x equals a, and when x is larger than a, it's just like the second part. We have the plot like this. Fx, first let's talk about xx equals b multiplied a to the ab. This part is just like this one, and put it here, and multiply b, so we got the cross to the y-axis to the b. So let's put this into the answer. It's just like and this point is b multiplied e to the minus ab. So we have the plot of f of x is like this. Till now we have got the solutions of the first question.